Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 6, page number 126, exercise 6.4, question number 4. Now children, question number 4 is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Children, ABCD is a given quadrilateral and they are telling you is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now children, if you look here, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, these are nothing but the sides of quadrilateral. And children, AC plus BD are the diagonals. Now children, let's prove this statement that this is correct. Now children, for proving this, what we will do, we will draw first a quadrilateral and we will show only one diagonal to it. D, A, B, C. Now children, here this is one quadrilateral and its diagonal I have shown here first DB. Now how many triangles you see children in this? Two triangles. Name of the triangle in triangle ADB. Children, in triangle ADB we can use the property of AB plus AD is greater than DB. This is equation 1 children. By the property children, the sum of the two sides of the triangle is equal to the third side. Now children, in triangle DBC, again DC plus CB is greater than DB. Reason children, the sum of the two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Now children, again we will draw this quadrilateral and now we will have this diagonal AC. Now children, here also we see two triangles. Name of the triangle is triangle ADC. Now children, here also two triangle. First ADC, we will write AD plus DC is greater than AC. Reason, the sum of the two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. And children, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. This is equation number 4. Now children, what we have to do here we are seeing the sum of all the sides. So we will add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be children AB plus AD plus DC plus CB plus AD plus DC plus AB plus BC is greater than DB plus AC plus AC. Now children, how many AB we have here? AB and AB. 2AB. This is finished children. Now AD, 2AD plus 2AD. DC, 2DC plus 2DC. CB or BC is one and the same plus 2BC is greater than 2DB plus 2AC. Okay children, till here. Now children, we will take out 2 as a common. Now children, after taking out 2 common, we will cancel these 2. So children, the left material with us is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. And this is the required statement that we were to be proved. So hence it is proved. Understood children? Now let's do question number 5. Now children, question number 5 of exercise 6.4 is ABCD is a quadrilateral and is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA smaller than 2 in bracket AC plus BD. Now children, to solve this, what we have to show this all the sides are smaller than the twice of the sum of the diagonals. The sum of all the side is smaller than twice the sum of diagonals. So let us prove this, children. Now children, to prove this, we will put this point of intersection of the diagonal, we will give the name O. Now children, in how many parts you see, how many triangles you see in this figure? 4 triangles. Now children, first we will consider this triangle. What is the name of this triangle? AOB. In triangle AOB, children, OA plus OB is greater than AB. The sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. This is the property of this triangle. Now children, in triangle, this is equation 1. Now children, in triangle COB, again we have children, OC plus OB is greater than BC. This is second statement. Okay children. Now children, in triangle third, that is DOC, OD plus OC is greater than DC. In triangle DOC, OD plus OC is greater than DC. The sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Now children, the last triangle, triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, again OD plus OA is greater than AD or DA. This is equation number 4. Now what we are going to do, children, we are going to do the sum of all these 3 equations, or we are going to add all these 4 equations. Add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay children, then we will have, children, we will have OA plus OB plus OC plus OB plus OD plus OC plus OD plus OA is greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Now children, if you look here, you find that they are all twice. 2 OA are there, 2 OB are there. So we will have, so children, we will have 2 OA plus 2 OB plus 2 OC plus 2 OD is greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Now children, 2 we will take out. Here we will have OA plus OC plus OB plus OD is greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Okay children. Now if you will take 2 outside, OA plus OC plus OB plus OD is greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Now children, this 2 will remain outside. OA plus OC is forming what, children? See, OA plus OC is giving what? AC. So we will write here AC plus OB plus OD is forming what, children? OB plus OD is giving BD. So we will write here BD is greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Okay children, or we will write here AB plus BC plus DC plus AD is smaller than 2 AC plus BD. This is the required statement that we were supposed to prove, children. Hence, it is proved. Okay. Now, children, let's see question number 6. Now, children, 6th number question is, the length of the two sides of the triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? Now, children, to find between which two measures the length of the third side fall, children, we know that the sum of the two side is greater than the third side. Therefore, the third side has to be less than the sum of two sides. The third side is thus less than 12 plus 15, that is 27 centimeter. The side, and also children, the side cannot be less than the difference of the two sides. Thus, the third side has to be more than 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 centimeter. Children, therefore we conclude the length of the third side could be any length greater than 3 and less than 27. Understood, children? With this, we have completed exercise 6.4, children, and in the next video, we will see Pythagoras property of the triangle.